Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to test two radios, Citizen on the Citizen band on 27 MHz. I have one radio with repeater. I will connect this radio to the base antenna and going to go in some places and test two radios, Iradio uv98 and Sturman 230 M3. The same antenna, which works on 27 MHz. Let's test these radios. Let's connect this radio with the repeater to this antenna. This antenna works on 27 MHz. Let's test on the first point, the Sturman. Testing, testing, testing. Audio, 27 MHz.
Testing, testing, testing. Audio, 27 MHz.
The next radio, Iradio 98, uv98. Testing, testing, audio.
Testing, testing, audio.
All is working pretty good. Let's go to the next point, through the forest. The road is not good, but all is okay, I think. It was raining several minutes ago. The next point, near the lake, Iradio. Testing, 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 audio, Iradio.
Testing, 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 testing. Audio, Iradio.
It works pretty good. The next radio Sturman. Testing, testing, audio, Sturman.
Testing, testing, audio, Sturman.
It works pretty good. Let's go to the next point. Just got the next place. Let's test the radio. First I will test the Sturman. Testing, 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 audio, 27 MHz. Audio. The next radio, Iradio, 27 MHz, Iradio, test.
27 MHz. Iradio, test.
All works pretty good. This radio has the chip receiver on the back end. This radio has super heterodyne receiver. Let's go to the next point. The next point, 27 MHz. The 27 MHz antenna without a wire 1.5 meters. I will connect a little bit later. Testing, audio, 27 MHz. Nothing. 27. Nothing. Let's check the Sturman. Audio, 27, test. Nothing. Let's connect a piece of wire to the ground part of the antenna of the radio. The length of the wire around 1.5 meters. Testing, audio, 27 MHz. Testing, audio. All works pretty good. Let's connect to the another radio. It's stuck on my pocket. Testing, audio, testing, 27. Audio, testing. This radio is pretty good for 27 MHz in FM mode because this radio has a separate transceiver inside the radio on the backend chip. If you saw my previous videos regarding the Ratel RT 880, the same radios, you could see the disassembling. When I disassembled this radio, you could see the main board of the radio and separate chip for 27 MHz and separate filters and relay, which is switching between frequencies. When you change the frequency, you can hear this. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.